Okay, so no offense to your 8th grade history teacher, but the founding fathers, not the flawless heroes we were sold. These men were dramatic, petty, and low-key toxic. Like if the Real Housewives wore powdered wigs and argued about federalism instead of wine throwing. You've got secret smear campaigns, ghostwriters with fake names, duels over vibes, and presidents subtweeting each other through 18th century newspapers. It's giving Petty AF Revolution Edition. Let's get into it. Let's start with Alexander Hamilton and Thomas Jefferson, the OG beef of American politics. Hamilton was all about a strong federal government and a national bank. He wanted industry, big business, and a government that could flex. Jefferson? Nah, bro, I just want farmland, states' rights, and good wine. They were basically political opposites, and they hated each other's entire vibe. Hamilton once called Jefferson a man of sublimated and paradoxical imagination. Like, sir, just say you're mad. He had also accused Jefferson of tricking the people with fake idealism. Meanwhile, Jefferson was out here writing to Washington like, Hamilton's turning America into a monarchy, help. Washington, bless his heart, had to babysit them in cabinet meetings. Imagine being president and your advisors act like they're in a group project gone wrong. Now, let's talk Jefferson and John Adams, besties turned frenemies. They were close during the Revolution, but by the 1800 election, Jefferson was out here playing real dirty. He secretly hired a dude named James Callender to drag Adams in the press. And when I say drag, I mean full character assassination. Callender called Adams a hideous hermaphroditical character. Yes, that is a real quote from a real 1800 newspaper. He had also accused Adams of plotting war to stay in power, saying he wanted to be king. And Jefferson, he just acted like, oh no, who said that? Meanwhile, Adams was writing letters to Abigail like, this man is out of pocket. It was the most toxic ex-bestie fallout in presidential history. Hamilton and Aaron Burr. Oh honey, this one went from petty to deadly. After years of public shade and private beef, Burr challenged Hamilton to a duel in 1804. He was running for governor of New York, and Hamilton straight up called him dangerous and unfit to hold office. So Burr was like, say it to my face. They met in Weehawken, New Jersey, which was already illegal, and Hamilton in dramatic fashion supposedly fired into the air. But Burr aimed to kill. And he did. Hamilton died the next day. This wasn't politics. This was Shakespeare with bullets. And just so we're clear, the founding fathers were all in their drama bag. James Madison ghostwrote the Federalist Papers under the name Publius like it was a burner account. Benjamin Franklin literally published fake obituaries of people that he didn't like in newspapers he owned. That's not passive-aggressive. That's aggressively aggressive. And Washington, he begged people not to form political parties and then got dragged into them anyway. Like, imagine retiring and everyone immediately ignores your last email. So why does any of this matter? Because we treat the founding fathers like flawless marble statues, but they were just dudes. Dudes with egos, gossip, bad handwriting, and chaotic energy. Knowing the messy side doesn't erase what they built. It just makes them more real and, honestly, more interesting. They weren't gods. They were petty men with power. And that power shaped a country. So yeah, next time someone says the founding fathers would be rolling in their graves, just remember, they were already spinning from all the drama they started in their own lifetimes. History isn't sacred. It's spicy, and I'm here to serve it hot. If you're into that, like the video, smash that subscribe, and drop your favorite historical feud in the comments. Or just tell me which founding father you'd block on your socials. This has been Hot Takes History. See y'all next time.